Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product that will be launched today very shortly. At about 9 a.m. Eastern Time. This product is called about Mail a List. What is the product Mail a List is all about? It's also very straightforward. Just want to send a solo ad to the Dowell and Terry. They own about 43 site. Also you can also to send a solo ad. What is this solo ad is all about? It's also about someone that have a list with an email you can send them, and you can also to send this email that's particular for to build your email. That's also something like you can also to send some solo ad it's also just for the focus on promoting or offer and the best offer the best practice is to first of all to send them to switch page. Then also you capture their email address in order to in the long term you will build your email list, the money in your list in the form. This is also very straightforward. But if you want to pay someone to send a solo ad, the most popular platform for solo ad is Udemy. UDIM is also you can also to start up to send a solo ad, but just for simply for 100 minimum you have to have 100 clicks for at least 40 cents. You have at least to pay $40 for just for 100 clicks. But this particular offer is but the Mail a List is also similar to solo ad, but you have to send a solo ad for over and they have member over 30,000 members. It's also when compared with other solo ad for at least $40 is also the minimum. Just for the pay under $10, you will send a solo ad over 40B site that material over 30,000 members you would have sent to that. This is also a ridiculous offer. So I highly recommend you should take a look what is Mail a List. So before I jump into that, and also included some more exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money. Before I jump into that, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you will enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into the sales page. It's on Mail a List. How would you like to mail over 31,574 people at the 40B website? There's also you can send this one. We also have make money on if you are interested in it and send a solo ad over 31,000 people. Make money on it. This I highly recommend you should take a look at. So that is what I would be. I also include some exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money. First of all, the bonus number one, if you get my Mail a List, I also have 9 exclusive bonus. Number one, you will get about 4 reseller write-up of 4 training courses. This also you can send this for the solo ad. After you capture, and you can redirect to the any offer you want. And I highly recommend you can also to start up on it because this 4 training courses you will have get 100% commission across all the funnel. No matter is front end, upsell and downsell, this also you can get 100% other than as affiliate. Just like me, I just want to have the 50% commission, but you have the 100% commission. This is just as your own product. Bonus number 2 and other product is on the Mocha Bola. That's also and also in training course for Double and you can also get 100% commission. Bonus number B website. That's also how you can make money faster by selling PL article, private label. You can also to add it and there's also you can keep 100% commission if you private label white sell product. Bonus number 4, I will give you the surefire you can also get the latest ebook, software, pop audio and video. They also have the giveaway that also you can build your list. Master reseller, private label white. There's also private label white. You can edit your any way you want. You can add your logo, face, logo, image, your image photo your name any offer any way that you want to edit and also you can sell it and keep 100% commission bonus number 5 top 5 and 8 top 嘅 high ticket program I will show you is also you can promote after that they opt in to be your email list. You can also to send them some high ticket offer you will get paid at least almost $500 if you are in the make money online niche bonus number 6 free affiliate program you can sign up and you can make multiple stream of income and all the best part you can also promote any offer you want and also you can integrate with your autoresponder to build your list and the best part you can also to send to your email list and let them to join this program and after they join you can also to make multiple stream of income bonus number 7 I will give you affiliate bootcamp you can sign up free to sign up and other than that you can also to promote this software and when anybody to join this software and you will get paid month after month and you can also to send to your email list to promote this offer bonus number 8 I will give you this also you can join Facebook group for free training and also after you join this Facebook and I highly recommend you should take a look at their unique system. I don't want to sell hybrid you just take a look at their system because most of the members that join this Facebook group and take a look and join this unique system because they are free to sign up and have a ton of high quality video training will teach you how you can get a daily commission so I highly recommend when you join this Facebook group and take a look and join their unique system because you have to pay anything just to free to sign up bonus number 9 I will give you a system this also you can after you step up your system you can set up about 12 income stream and the best part is some of the income stream you can get paid month after that and also after that you have an email list and you can also to send and also you can send them to this system and you will get paid month after month just for the fun end you will get my 9 exclusive bonus if you just pick up and upsell and downsell I also included 11 OTO bonus OTO bonus 1 listen as a professional marketing software OTO bonus 2 1 click software generate over 4,000 money links bonus number 3 how to get paid to grow your Instagram follower bonus number 4 11 ways to grow your list bonus number 3 simple step building your profit from email marketing business OTO bonus 6 download 20 professional high quality background video for free OTO bonus 7 a video that will show you how you can get 100 leads just for one day, $1 per day no website, no pay traffic OTO bonus 8 you will get also 4 reseller right bonus OTO bonus 9 you will get 25 emails right for the email marketing OTO bonus 10 I will give you a personal book profit included 9 videos that will teach you how you can publish low content book on Amazon OTO bonus 11 my last bonus is exclusive bonus 5 parts all of them are free training course marketing software free report freebie download and free workshop all the workshop you can have a list of over 10 workshop you can pick up which one is suitable for you and you can also to see and which one is suitable for you and all the best part all of them will help you to make more money online all my exclusive product will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer. Hit 0. Simply click the link below in description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you click this any blue button, and you will be directed to the sales page of the mail list. When you purchase any blue button, and you will purchase through my link, and all my exclusive product will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer. Hit 0. When you purchase the purchase detail, you will see the little blue button, and when you press this blue button and you will instant access all my exclusive bonus. But if you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will also get my 11 OTO bonus. Also, before I jump into the member series, just my reminder that don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment and leave the comment below. So let's jump into the member series. Inside the member service, the mail list is also have different game. You can also support a lot. There's also welcome message, welcome email. Though it's them, they also like to have tabula. After that, and the next overview, This all about those language that have a take an overview of what is product, what is this mail our list is all about. The main training introduction to the main training and tips that is all those will share with you some tips that for writing your solo ads and details and how does it work. Is also very important. You must watch this video before you submit your solo ad. And then the next section is about submit your solo ad. There's also a solo how to submit your solo ad. Have a detailed instruction. Join the site yourself. You can also open click here and also open in the new tab for the Google website. There's also you can join and 44 site from Island and Terry. And you can also free to sign up and you can have a much more free organic fee traffic you can also tap into that. Other than that, and why do you should join all of the 43 site? Because if you pick up the upsell number 2, you have upgrade to pick up the upsell number 2, you have to join all the 43 site and you can also to instantly upgrade become a VIP upgrade for all 43 site. Next video using the resources and resources free spreadsheet is also what is the spreadsheet is also capture the email address. What is product is what is this video is all about. Don't send traffic directly to the sales page with your super solo ad. There's also because when you have a solo ad, the main priority is capture the email address to build your list because they don't know who you are. They possibly will click the link below and also buy the product from you. And you capture the email address in order to build a relationship and they know, like, and trust you. You can also to promote any offer that you want. So it's also the highly recommended you should grab this free switch page and also to capture your email address is also the priority when you buy any offer, buy a solo ad. No matter this also the produce product or any offer for solo ad, build your emails. How to promote there's also a few more tips and how you can promote from this when you to this solo ad and the conclusion first of all there's also have included the 5 bonus and you will involved and in the sales page upgrade is also in 5 upgrade but stay with it. I also revealed to you what are the price and upsell for the upgrade and advertise that bonus. There is also a very simple and easy way that you can also to get how you can get also simply to send or solo ad for one solo ad. So please stay with me. I also revealed to you what are the price and upsell as well. Just for the front end, $9 and $9.95 to compare. I showed you before that you have to send a solo ad just for at least $40, but $10 you will have over 50,000 members. All of them will make money on this also are replicable. Upsell with the Pro bundle you will have other than one you will get 5 more solo ad, but remember you have $37. They also have a downsell $70. Just for $70 you will get 5 more solo ad. So I highly recommend you grab it. Upsell is I also mentioned it before that you should join all of them 43 solo ad package. Solo and total traffic fixed at $197 and $97. You can have a VIP upgrade for all of the website and placed order. If you upgrade individually, it will cost at least $2,000 because they also have different way. And the best part is that also have placed your banner permanently on all of the website. There's also you can get more free traffic. So I highly recommend you to grab the $97 the downsell total traffic because you will get tons of the free traffic from this and also. I highly recommend you to grab it and also you can get the VIP upgrade. And the best part is you should and why if you pick up this one, you should and also to join all of the 43 site. Reseller wise $37, $77. You can also to sell it and keep 100% commission. Option number 4 done for you weekly campaign. They also come with a downsell $47. You will get a free done for you campaign each week. They have as done for you the bonus package. Bonus page of a review bonus demo and also have 10 customer bonus that will stand up to go. And also you will have a safe draw the time, and you have what you will get. You will get this bonus pay, and what you will get is just apply for the affiliate link. After you get approval, simply copy and paste your affiliate link, and you can promote it just like it. And anybody through this bonus pay and purchase the product through your link, and you will get paid. This is also very simple. Just I highly recommend you grab the upsell number 4 for $47嘅單 sale 啦。Upsell number 5 is a unique academy 嘅 beta test 都is 嘅and very unique 嘅product. You can also to see the sales page when you go through is also you can $997 and you can speed payment for fee payment for $497 and you can have access to those the high ticket program. You should take a look what is the product is all about. So in my opinion, I highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1 and $70 you will get 5 more of the solar ad. Upsell number 2 is total traffic mix fixed $97 you will get my VIP upgrade for all of the program and website and permanent to place your banner. You also will get a ton of free traffic. There's also a highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2. If you want to that everything is done for you with the campaign, free number just like it. You have I highly recommend you can grab a downsell just for $47. You will have save your time and also you can make more affiliate commission. So other than that, if you pick up any upsell and upsell, you will get my 11 OTO bonus. Just pick up the front end, you will get my let's take a look. You have a 7, 8, 9. You will just pick up the front end, you will 9 exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell, I highly recommend you to pick up upsell number 1 and upsell number 4. If you pick up a done for you package, you will have upsell number 4. You will get my 11 OTO bonus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You will get my, if you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will get my 11 OTO bonus. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Pass before the countdown timer. Hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my this bonus page, when you practice any full button, and you will go through the sales page. If you also to pick up any offer, pick up this offer, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will get my 11 OTO bonus. In my opinion, I highly recommend you to grab at least bonus number 1 and bonus number 2 and upsell number 1 and upsell number 2. You have upsell number 2, you will get 5 more solar ad. Upsell number 2, you have a total traffic fixed. You will get my VIP upgrade and also to place your banner permanently on the 34 website. There's also you get a ton of free traffic. If you are picked up done for you the campaign, then you can also have free and the upsell number 4. You will have anyway, you can also have I highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1, upsell number 2 if you want to done for you. Upsell number 4 is suitable for you, and you will get my 11 OTO bonus. Thanks for taking time to check out my mail list review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment and leave your comment below. And also just reminder that don't forget to check my description to grab your freebie. I also included 7 freebies that you can easily access. So don't forget to check my description to grab your freebie, and don't forget to like